Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 4. The name of the unit is collecting things. First of all, comprehension. Question number one is, what kind of things do people collect? The answer of this question is, people collect each and every kind of things. Look at the next question. Why was stamp collecting so popular? Because it was easier. People had friends or relatives who lived in distant places. When they wrote letters, they put stamps on the envelopes, and thus a vast quantity of stamps was easily available. What are some of the things you will need in order to start a collection of flowers? I will need a notebook, a pencil, an album or scrapbook, two pieces of hardboard and clean newspaper. I may also use a magnifying glass. It is useful but not essential. What do you think? One should not pick more flowers than one needs? Because picking more flowers than one need is wasting, which is not a good thing. Why is a magnifying glass useful but not essential? A magnifying glass can be used to study flowers more closely, but it is not necessary. What are the details you could write in your record book? I can write the name, shape, size and color of the flower. I can also write when and where I found it and any other detail I wish, like where it grows and what is the shape of its leaves and petals. Why do you think newspaper is used in the flower press? Newspapers observes the juice of the flowers. This question is more difficult. Discuss it first. Can you think of any reasons for not collecting things? Make a list of reasons against collecting things. Collecting things is consume a lot of time and energy. It can also be very expensive. We need space to store the things we have collected, and place we use might be used for a more useful purpose. Refer to the text and answer the questions. Quite often, what starts off as a hobby or a pastime develops into the more serious study or even a profession. What sort of hobby in particular has been mentioned before this? No hobby is mentioned in a particular before this. What examples are given of hobbies developing later into professions? Examples of collecting stamps, old coins and flowers are given as hobbies developing later into professions.